2, 3.
Go.
Hello, this is specifically for Papa Joe, my awesome grandpa, and we are doing a concoction. So basically, we are doing rice.
It's a spinach artichoke rice. Or a
It's a rice concoction.
rice and herbs. Okay.
So
Tell them what you got. Roughly 1 cup.
Yeah, it's more of 3/4 of a cup of artichoke dip, and then we have a little bit of butter, which is already in the pan, and then for topping and the finished product, which you can quite obviously mix in, you can put salmon on it, and later on we'll make a video how to make the salmon.
So it's roughly 2 cups of rice.
2.5.
Sure. So this is spinach artichoke dip
Yes.
rice. And then salmon we cooked last weekend. What's
Yes.
left of it?
Yes, we devour that stuff.
Yes.
But I do have a warning. The artichoke dip will cause heartburn. So if you are acid sensitive or whatever, be careful how much you eat of this because
It's good.
It's good, but the first time I had it, I had heartburn that night, and yes, it was very interesting and fun. But right now we have butter in the skillet. You can use whatever you want, lard, marmalade, whatever works best.
She mentions lard because one of the videos we're going to be doing this tonight or in the morning is homemade pork lard.
Yep. So,
Go ahead, dump it in.
into slice of mine.
Break it up and get it heated up, just like stir fry.
Yes. And no, you don't have to do this much. The first time I did this, I got a little bit, put rice in a bowl and artichoke dip, and I microwaved that stuff. So, yes, this is the fancier and more efficient way to do it, though. Lazy ways are always available. That's if I have the oven on, stove.
Yeah. Butter and herb rice, does that sound right?
No, this is a dip rice.
A dip rice.
Because it's a dip that was meant for chips, but you having rice with it instead of chips. So if you like stabbing things, you can stab some rice.
Good stress reliever. That's why making bread is good. You get to beat the snot out of it.
Yeah, no.
Needy.
No, you beat the yeast out of it.
Oh yes, you're right.
If the yeast has anger issues, then yeah.
The yeast or the baker?
I have no idea.
Both.
Hey Dad, can you make some cheesy rice joke?
Yeah, you're making it right now.
I know. A joke making a joke, that is hilarious. But yes, that sounds funny. I think
You're going to need a spatula to get that out.
we have our tortured spatulas from 5 kids.
Ages ago, yes. From Walmart.
I'm questioning. You can put cheese with this if you want,
Yeah.
but it's always optional. But it's nice when you can actually get things to cooperate with you, because
But-
sometimes a klutz just can't control utensils.
But here's the important thing to understand. How old are you, Kylie girl?
I feel old.
You're 14. You just turned 14.
Yeah.
And
4 years.
how many of your peers or classmates do you think can come in the kitchen and think about way things taste together and like, I can make a concoction. A creation, as we call it in the household.
I have no idea.
You can smell that.
Well, not Americans achieve Americans' dreams. Missing. So, that's pretty much how it works.
Mm-hmm.
Should I put in the salmon now?
Yeah, I mean, you can chop it up and mix it in. It's better.
I'll do half. And then have the other off.
Okay. I'm trying to get better light over here.
Dodging the cameraman. So, yeah. It looks like you just put sesame seeds in it, but it will give you heartburn. Optional pepper.
That's good, Dad. That's good. Stop. It's my recipe.
It is. You're the one that, you and Grandpa are the ones that begged me to make this video. No offense to Grandpa.
And you can't tell me you're not looking forward to eating this when you're done making the video.
The reason we have 4 pounds of rice, 2.5, is because you wanted it most.
All right, so you see how it's starting to stick? And yep, good job. Lowering your temperature. Go ahead and throw your salmon in there.
Yeah, hold on. There's some areas that are quite mushy.
That's that cheese starting to crystallize,
Oh, there's
caramelize.
cheese in this?
Kylie, yeah, there's cheese. It's a spinach artichoke cheese dip.
I didn't know. I didn't buy it.
Yeah, you just started making creations with it. Put it all in there, girl.
So you separate it, beat the heck out of it.
Kylie, the violent chef.
And messy as you see this mess.
That's
Don't
okay.
show my toes. I don't need those feet fetish people.
Hey, at least you're not bare feet, you know?
Oh no. I have too much glitter. As my nails say.
So, anyway, what I was getting at with my question earlier is that even
Kids can't cook.
even though this might look weird, it actually has a great taste to it. You know, you can have some nice, pretty looking dishes, and it just has bland taste. You can have stuff that looks like and just have awesome flavor, and that's what one of these dishes, this dish is. You know, and your peers don't have the skill. Kylie, a lot of my peers can't do this. They cook out of a box. They buy frozen food.
Well,
Go through drive-through.
when you live under a rock, you learn much more things than how to.
Hey, what are you trying to say? If I'm from under a rock, that means you came from under a rock too.
I know. Yes, I am very creative.
It's fun. And you got to taste it, and you got to figure out the seasonings and how you like it. Because it doesn't matter what everybody else thinks. As long as you like your food, you're the one eating it.
Yeah, we ran out of Creole seasoning, so we can't put that in every single thing we cook.
Yes, we had a huge thing from Costco of Creole seasoning. See how it's slowly coming off the bottom?
Yep. We put a little more butter, and we put a little bit of Himalayan salt in it.
She tasted it and needed a little salt.
Oh, yes. That's the stuff you do off camera.
It's called off-camera doctoring.
Yeah, just some people do it a little extremely. But we are going to put this in a bowl, and we are going to make it look nice, and then
We'll come back and she'll do a little tasting. You were supposed to wait for the on-camera thing. Is it smelling so good that you just inhaled it?
It was only one bite.
I know. Little girl went to sleep and her sister woke her up for an on-camera taste.
it's either that or I eat all of it.
And she's already snuck a bite off camera. And I caught her. How's it taste?
Good.
What do you taste in it?
Guess.
Salmon,
You're supposed to taste it, not look at it.
Shh, she's already tasted it, Kylie. Salmon and what?
the artichoke thing,
Artichoke cheese dip.
Rice.
Yeah. And what'd you think of your sister's creation?
Good.
You going to eat more? Get your knees out of the chair. There you go. I know you just woke up.
How's your midnight snack going?
You need to cook more with me and the older two, Kelsey, so you can learn how to do these creations too.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Got to keep the family tradition going on of making creations. I told y'all growing up, Papa Joe used to grab all of the leftovers in the fridge and mix them together into what he called a goulash. I do something similar. I guess your brother's not coming?
No, he's busy.
Do you like it?
She might as well eat both plates. She likes it that much. Or I'll eat it.
Leave it for your brother.
Yeah. Okay.
What, he's not your brother? He's her brother?
Oh, yeah. What's going on there?
Oh, yeah?
It's the final brains.
Final brain cell? For what? Cooking or math?
Oh.
Oh my goodness. No brain cells eat home.
Says Miss... You really want to go...
Thunderflies.
You want to go down that road of... Her tummy does more thinking than her math brain. All right, Kels, what are you going to cook coming up? Got any ideas of what you want to cook?
You could cook cashews with me. We haven't done one on that.
We can do the bacon stuffed pancakes. No. Oh, here he is.
He's
Come on.
alive!
Come sit.
You have a spoon right there.
I won't record your pajama bottoms. Not like you're 15 and wearing Minecraft pants. Okay.
Legend of Zelda.
All right, son. This is a Kylie creation. Taste it. Your sister's still shoving in her face. Uh-huh.
Guilty.
So, go ahead, son.
Camera hogger.
So what do you think, son?
It's okay. It's a good thing I didn't add the barbecue sauce to it when I was tempted to.
Sacrilege.
Oh my goodness.
So, besides your crazy thought of barbecue sauce,
Always in every creation.
I mean, at least it's not ranch. He went through a
I
phase.
like honey mustard now.
Oh yeah.
Honey mustard. A good sweet honey mustard.
I'm not a mustard person.
Okay, so besides honey mustard and barbecue sauce, what do you guys think would make this taste even better?
Eggs.
Eggs? So turning it into a real stir fry. Eggs
No,
and some
like
mixed
a
vegetables.
runny egg on top of it.
A runny egg on top of it.
Yeah.
You'd have to get the rice really hot so that way it cooks it like a sizzling sissig.
No, I mean like in
All right, other suggestions.
ramen.
This is how plates evolve, recipes grow, is by chefs coming up with a base idea and then asking their tasters. So what do you think? No opinion, Dad. My brain's asleep.
Yeah, both of them.
It's 8:30 at night.
I'm gonna take
Hey,
another
I
bite to
worked out
try.
with y'all.
Uh-huh. Are you sure you don't get the shovel from under the house, son? I mean, that was all but full spoon. On camera. Everybody's watching you.
Doesn't matter now. No regrets.
No modesty.
It can always be put as private. Never mind.
Nope, it's going public.
Oh yeah.
Oh well.
You're a teenage boy, hollow leg syndrome. Or teenage girl, hollow stomach syndrome.
No, not just hollow stomach, hollow everything.
Oh, yeah?
At least I'm so skinny.
Tell him, Kylie. The genes don't last long in this family.
Neither does your mouth.
All right, guys, 15 minutes. Let's tell Papa Joe and Grandma Rose good night.
Night.
Tell everyone goodbye.
Bye.
Good job, Kylie.
I'm gonna go stuff my face now. Okay, bye.